What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you go follow my new dog kennel YouTube channel. Dog Pound Exotic Pups, that's the channel. Go subscribe and hit the all notification bell. Go comment, go watch the video. Got a lot of exotic pups on the way. I'm going to be dealing with a lot of Frenchies, a lot of Fluffies, and a lot of big ropes out there. So, you looking to get you a Frenchie, you looking to get you a dog at a cheap price. AKC registered, everything that you need. Tap in with me. Dog Pound Exotic Pups will be coming soon. We'll be up and running now, but you know what I'm saying? Just go follow them channels. And make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, right? Got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So it's 2024. Happy Friday. A lot of people out there for the past 19 days still haven't got it right yet. A lot of people still doing the same things they've been doing since last year. Still trying to figure out how they going to make this $1 million, million plus dollars. How they going to get them a quick 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80,000. And it's all possible. That's my Frenchie back there. The one for my dog kennel. Griselda, a.k.a. Gigi. Got her back there with me, but a lot of people are still stuck in the same position. A lot of people are still stuck in the same spot. Well, today I want to tell you, and I'm going to tell you that if you are somebody who is really ready to get themselves out that slum, get themselves out that being broke all for the past umpteen years, you're really ready to put yourself in position to win. You're really ready to put yourself in position to get money. You're really ready to put yourself in position to become successful and create generational wealth. Gigi, spit it out. This is another thing when you got dogs. Spit it out. Give me it. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, you finna do the video with me. Come on. Come on. Gigi. Come on. Come on, Gigi. I'm gonna introduce y'all to Gigi. Come on, Gigi. Gigi. Come on. All right, everybody, this is Gigi. Everybody say hello to Gigi. This is a Merle French Bulldog with the fluffy gene. This is going to be the beginning of everything. This is going to be the mother of all the dogs, the grandmother, the great-grandmother, and all that. So, but back to this credit. So, 2024... you need to understand that credit is the #1 money game. It's been the #1 money game in the world, but it's a lot of new grants, tax credits, and all these type of things that is revolving around credit. Now, when people try to get loans, lines of credits, and credit cards, I got you, Gigi. When people try to get these things, sit down, chill, 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 chill. All right, when people try to get these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, they don't understand the magnitude of what's going on. A lot of people follow these all bad credit loans and want to get bad credit loans and not understanding that credit, they're going to check your credit. All right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. If you want to get rich, you got to understand credit is the #1 money game in the world. If you see anybody with a CPN, understand that they have to build that CPN just like they'll build their real credit. You're not buying any CPNs with an 850 credit score. You're not buying any CPNs with trade lines. See, that's what y'all problem was. Let me get to it in the beginning. Let's just talk to this real business right now. A lot of people have been buying bogus CPNs, right? And I'm not telling anybody to do anything, but a lot of people back in the day, a couple years ago, last year, whatever, when it was popping, was buying bogus CPNs. A lot of people were creating CPNs under stolen identities, and then which will make that person have to get a new fake ID, all this extra, whatever. Not understanding how a CPN really works. A lot of people get CPNs because they might got evictions under their name. A lot of people might get CPNs because they got so much debt that they just want to start over. It's a lot of different reasons why people get CPNs. And at the end of the day, if you are or somebody that has a CPN, you have to build the credit on it. Point blank, period. You don't buy a CPN and people be like, oh, it come with this and this and that. That CPN is connected to somebody, which means if it's connected to somebody, that person that it's connected to, you're going to need an ID for it. You're going to need a lot of different credentials to be this person. So when it all boils down to it, and like I said, there's a lot of people out here that's getting CPNs. They're building a CPN. They're creating businesses, putting under the CPN, running a business credit up, getting these loans, and crashing out the credit. Because at the end of the day, it doesn't take that much to build business credit. It doesn't take that much to build personal credit. It's just all off the knowledge that you have about what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you're going to have a hard time doing it. But if you do your research, you start learning certain things, you start to pay attention, and you really want to learn, I guarantee you will learn new ways. You will learn to do what you want to do and get what you want, point blank, period. It doesn't take much to get your personal credit or your business credit together. All right, so it's 2024. You want to build your personal credit. You want to get your business credit together. If you're a teacher, you're somebody out there working a 9-to-5 job, and you just tired of it. You want to start paying yourself. You want to put yourself in a position to make the most passive income that you want. Let's get to it. So the first thing you need to understand is like, okay, a lot of people out there have bad credit. Why do you have bad credit? Because you put yourself in a position to buy these things or finance these things and not being in a financial situation to be able to pay these things back on time, right? Credit is built off payment history. The more things that you have in your name, you're either going to pay it back on time or you're not going to pay it back at all. If you pay it back on time, it's going to enhance your credit profile, which is going to build your credit score. If you don't, it's going to bring it down. It's going to decrease it. It's not going to, you know what I mean? It's going to make it look bad. And a lot of people don't understand this. So if you somebody that want to get money just literally given to you, it's all about the knowledge and it's all about credit. So that's why they have trade lines and authorized users, AUs, out here, so people can add them to their credit reports, business and personal, to really finesse the credit bureaus, to finesse the banks, finesse the lenders, so you can get the money that you need, the credit cards that you need, everything that you need. So everybody out there, people out there that's looking to get bad credit loans, $50,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, understand this. At the end of the day, it's all off your payment history. Don't get upset if you go apply for a bad credit loan for $20,000, $30,000 and your credit report is not reflecting that you're able to pay back this amount on time. They want to see that. That's why certain credit bureaus, that's why certain banks and lenders don't go off your credit report. They more go off your payment history that you have on the debt on your credit report. All right. So when I'm telling you to add these $30,000 credit Magnum accounts and $50,000 credit Strong accounts, and these will help you get approved because it's now going to report on your credit report that you have $50,000 that you're paying back each month, that you got $30,000 being paid back each month. That's $80,000 right there. You get 3 cars from Trade Line Supply, you can go over $100,000. That each month it will show that you're paying back on time, that will reflect on your credit report. That will help you get larger loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. And once you get those, you can actually invest that money into certain things that's going to make you money back. So you can pay that loan back and make you money. They gave you money to make money and get them their money back. You don't have to have $50, $100, $250,000 in your bank account, business bank account, to get that loan. So that's why I teach credit, because credit is the #1 money game in the world. Credit will set you free. Credit will create financial freedom from you and your family as long as you do it right. So let's get back to it. Credit. If you're somebody that has a high limit debt on your credit profile, you need to start getting this together now, because 2024 this tax season, and it's a lot of grants, a lot of loans, a lot of things, money going out, point blank, period. So First, you need to get you an Experian account because there's a lot of people out there that's going off creditkarma.com. There's a lot of people that's cheap. Stop being cheap. Anything cheap or free is not right. It's not accurate. So you need to go get you an Experian account, pay the funky $25 a month so you can know your accurate TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit scores across the board. $25 a month. Link your debit card or credit card or bank account to the site so it can automatically be paid each month and you won't have to worry about it. Now that you got your Experian account, you know all your debt, you know everything that's going on. Now, this is what you need to do because like I said, everybody's credit report is different. Some people might need to clean their credit up. Some people just need to add things to their credit. Everybody's credit report is different. Now, if you're somebody who needs to clean up their credit, easiest way to clean your credit and just to start cleaning your credit is to go to Experian Freeze, Equifax Freeze, and TransUnion Freeze. Freeze your credit, 3 credit bureaus. Go dispute everything on your credit profile and wait 15 business days, and you'll start seeing drop-offs on your credit report. As long as they can't get into your account, they have no way to verify that it's yours. They have no choice but to delete it off your credit profile. So, go look at the 3 accounts, see who's reporting what. Once you go do that, go freeze it, go dispute it. And then you also have letters, you also have things like that. But at the end of the day, sometimes it might work on the first try. Sometimes it might work on the second try. Sometimes it might work on the third try. Sometimes it might not work until the 10th try. And that's what a lot of people don't understand when it comes to cleaning credit. Every account is not going to come off just that fast or the first time that you do it. All right, so you got to give it time. You got to know what you're doing and you got to be patient. All right, so once you cleaned up your credit, and I go into details and all this more and how to clean your credit in another video. Once you cleaned your credit up, now you want to add those same trade lines that the people who didn't need to clean their credit up to your credit report, so now it can start reporting and it can reflect. Because once it starts reflecting, then you can go apply for the loans. So when you go apply for the loans, and they do that soft credit pull, and they see what's going on, it's going to give you a better opportunity and a better chance to get approved for that loan. All right, so the more debt, this is the key. Now, I want everybody out there to understand it. The key to get high limit loans, credit cards, or lines of credit is the more debt that you have on your credit profile that you're paying back on on time, and it's not delinquent, it's going to give you a better opportunity to get loans, all right? It's going to give you a better opportunity to get credit cards or lines of credit. It's going to give you an opportunity to get the things that you need. A lot of people out there don't understand. And I'm going to tell you this, because a lot of people out there just want a quick play to get a quick 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000, and that's not going to get you anywhere. You have to invest to be blessed. First time you get some money, you're going to buy everything that you ever wanted. Then once you buy all the things that you ever want, it's like, okay, what's next? What do I have? What am I going to spend my money on? You want to keep the money. So it's like, okay, am I going to keep spending this money on things that's going to depreciate, or I'm going to start investing my money and making passive income and start making more money on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, and keep the money? A lot of people don't understand that. I don't get rap checks. I'm not a rapper or anything like that. So I understand that I'd rather invest my money and make $150,000 or $250,000 a month instead of spending it on jewelry. Because once I start making that a month, I can go buy that jewelry and I'm going to get that money right back instead of spending that money buying that jewelry and got to figure out and got to grind and hustle and do all the nicky-tacky work to get the money back. Once you grow your mind and mature your mind and your way of thinking, and you actually live life and go through certain situations, you will understand that certain things doesn't matter. I'd rather go spend another $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 on French bulldogs and create more lines of pets. Why? Because investing that money, I can go breed her. So let's say she was $5,000. I spent $5,000 to get to breed her with another dog. So I'm $10,000 in. Boom. Let's say the dogs come out fluffies. Those dogs are worth $15,000, $20,000, $25,000, $30,000 depending on what you have. So let's say roughly $20,000. She come out with 6 dogs, 5 dogs. Boom. That's $100,000 right there just off $10,000. And you can keep breeding the dog. Investments. I can hire people to breed for me, wash the dogs. Investments. I want to get it to I'm making $1.5 million a month in passive income. That's my goal. Build my production company. Find new talent so I can show y'all how to do the same thing. And we make money together. That's my goal. Teamwork make the dream work, all right? So anybody out there looking to build their credit, want to start getting rich, want to create passive income, it starts with credit. Because credit, once you got your credit together, they give you everything that you need. Credit is the #1 money game in the world. So make sure y'all get y'all credit together, man. It's your boy King Hussle. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their FaceTime 1-on-1 unlimited gems that will teach you how to build, clean, and repair your personal credit, establish your business credit, start getting loans, credit cards, lines of credits, how to build a CPA in the correct way, how to make passive income, how to start making $1,000, $50,000 a month in passive income, how to make $1,000 a day, sitting on your hiney just like this, dark web introduction, plus more, all in the FaceTime 1-on-1 unlimited gems, right? So whatever you want to learn, tap in, let's win together. $600 Cashapp or Bitcoin payment. Also, book your seat right now on the crypto tour in-person unlimited gems. $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state. All right, so you come in-state to me, it's going to be $4,500, $500 deposit. If I come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $5,500, $500 deposit, and you also have to pay for my flight and my hotel. All right, so you're ready to start making this money. You want to start learning how to make these this thousands of dollars. You're really ready to become successful, create generational wealth, financial freedom, help yourself, help your family, help people around you win. Tap in. Get your in-person unlimited gems or get your FaceTime 1-on-1 unlimited gems. And I guarantee you, just like everybody else that tapped in with me, you will learn the game, the secret hacks on how to start making money, how to build your credit, how to establish a business, how to start getting loans, credit cards, lines of credits with just an LLC, an EIN, everything. Because no one's just going to give it to you. So you got to learn how to do something if you really want to get somewhere, right? Also, anybody looking to get that 8 instant cash out methods, tap into my Telegram, Wealth and Riches. Links is in my community post and in links in my bio. All right, so you cannot miss out on that. Stop getting scammed by these fake King Hussle telegrams and pages. Get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for. Right, so Wealth and Riches over 64,100 subscribers right now. So go tap in with that. Also, anybody looking to get that World Tour t-shirts, t-shirt alone is $160, but if you want the World Tour t-shirt, one free method, Cashapp glitch, or the how to make $50K a week all profit, and a free live card, it is $200. Don't miss out on that opportunity. Shirts are limited, been selling out. Shout out to everybody got that World Tour t-shirt. Shout out to all my real fans that's been tapping in. Let's continue to win. Let's continue to grow and spread the brand. Also, make sure y'all go follow my new dog kennel, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, on IG and YouTube. We will be going up. We will be going crazy. Anybody that taps in, you will get a discount if you, in the future, you want to buy a pup from me. All right? So, my name King Hussle for a reason. I'm getting my hands in everything. I got my hands in a lot of different things right now. The more you put your hands in things, the more you hustle, the more you invest, the more you be blessed. Point blank period. You get you 10 businesses that make you $10,000 each a month. That's $100,000. You do that for a whole year straight. That's $1.2 million. And I'm gonna show you how to turn yourselves into a millionaire, man. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.